Hello there, guys. So this is an example EverBee store. First, let us click on the About page to see what that looks like. Under the Learn tab, there is a submenu, and if you click on Brands Hire Me, this is where you can hire Leslie for some of her services, and she also sells different types of merchandise. Now, if you click on the cart, you can see what you have in your shopping cart, and it also shows you the itemized billing and the total price. So if I don't want the item, I can delete it and start over. Here we can see some of her free training videos on her YouTube channel. Okay, so let's close this and go back to her EverBee store. Here you can see some of the great offers she has got for us. There is a UGC starter kit for beginners. Let us scroll down a little more. Here you can see there are 3 options to choose from. So many options, right? Which one should we select? Now, let's click on Download It, and this now takes us to an email lead magnet. You get a free 60-page guide that shows you how to create content for business brands and get paid for that. Amazing! Right on the homepage, when we scroll down, we see more fascinating things her EverBee store is offering us. And if you click on this button that says Get to Know Your Biz Bestie, we get taken to this About Us page that tells us more about her business. Right? Let's click Watch More Free Trainings, and then let us go down a bit more. And so, here are more courses, coaching, and more that you get access to. And here, under courses, we can see more of her courses that you can learn at your own pace when you have some free time. Look, she has had over 500 students and over 1,000 video tutorials already. Click on Believe It to go to her coaching page. Okay, let's scroll down and see what it's all about. Then, learn more about Evolution Designs. And there is a lot of different options right here too. So yes, EverBee store gives us so many powerful features and options, and let's have a look a little more here on this page. Here we can join her paid community for around $27 per month, which is not a lot at all, given all the value you get for the price. The Paid Content Creator Academy. We can find out more when we go to the next page. So let's click on the Learn More button to go there. So once we scroll down, and here Leslie tells us more about herself and what she does in her EverBee store business. Here, when you scroll down, you can see more of her personal and business photos. This is how we resonate and connect with our audience all through the phenomenal EverBee store and all its powerful features. This takes us to her Calendly booking page. You can see here she has already made a great name and reputation for herself. Let's go down a little further. Here is a timeline of how she and her business evolved over time. So, this gives us more information about that page right here, and there is so much valuable information. Let us scroll down a little more, see all these options, and look at just how professional looking everything is. Let us click on the different ones to view more details about them. EverBee store is so neat, elegant, and ready for any type of online business you want to create. Look at all this information and buttons that you can click on to learn more about it. Here you can see more of her business pages to see the 2 options over here. So on this page, she offers 2 different paths that we can choose from. On the left, we have personalized business coaching for the modern female freelancer. And on the right, freelance marketing services for the modern brand owner. Now, let us have a further scroll and look at this over here and see what that is about, shall we? But wait, there's more. Where shall we go next? Let's see. Okay, back on this page. Let us scroll down a bit further to see what she has on this page. Just a little further down we go, right past this banner, so that we can see what's down at the bottom. So here we are going to scroll down a little more. And here are more of her personal photos that tell you more about what she likes doing and her interests in her free time. It seems like she likes to travel sometimes as well. Who doesn't like traveling? As you can learn more about the world and its cultures, food, and all kinds of traditions and beautiful places. Start your evolution journey, free resources, business consultations, YouTube tutorials about Etsy and EverBee, and more. Let us click through each one of these link buttons and then come back to this page afterwards. Here you can click on each of the options to learn more about them. Here you can see a list of different options, almost like a facts section. You can click on each one to get more information about them here. So many great options for us to choose from, and each one has an important function and features. Let us go up to the main menu again. There is the Learn page. Now let us scroll down more. Go down. This is a free resource link over here. It takes us to that page. Here, you can book a business strategy consultation with Leslie, and this Owen takes us back to your YouTube channel again. This last link over here takes us to this page again. The menu and the header all just fit so well together. It is so easy to navigate around. Let us go to the portfolio page again. This is her portfolio page, and these links take us to her YouTube and other pages for all her other services. Just look at some of her beautiful travel photos. She must have traveled all over the world. And this is exactly why starting your own EverBee store is one of the best things you could do for a life of freedom. Here, you can see the various services she has on offer, all very clearly laid out for visitors to see and understand. Here you can see the amazing cursive fonts on the left that she's using. So pretty, right? So let us have a further look into this one over here. Click on this link, and it takes us to her meeting scheduling page as well. With just a few clicks, you can book a live call with Leslie through your amazing EverBee store. Let us have another look around to see more about what her different pages have to offer. This is her Hire Me page over here. And here, you can book a call with her Calendly page again. So let us go back here, and you can see all this over here. This is her portfolio page again, telling us all about her work history. If we scroll down a little bit more, so we can see her stats over here. It looks really fantastic, right? Don't you think these pages look so beautiful? Of course, and look at this one over there. I really think she did an amazing job creating these with EverBee Store's AI website builder. I just want to have another good look at some of this information on these pages before we move on to the next part, which would be her product pages. Now wait, let us scroll back up and go to her merchandise, and then we can have a closer look at some of her product listings. Over here, you can see all the wonderful reviews she got from some of her customers or clients. That is how you build a reputation for your business on your EverBee store. Now this is really interesting. Here we're going to see her products page or the actual shop where she sells POD products with Printify, which is already connected to her EverBee store. What else can we have a look at now? Let's see. So on this merch menu on the top, we have various options to choose from. Just look at all these different products, designs, and categories over here. Just look at the wide variety of products she is selling in her EverBee store. I am quite sure she must be getting lots of sales. For example, look at these really amazing candles she is selling over here. It gives a feeling of romance and tranquility. And here are some caps, long-sleeve sweaters, mugs, cups, sipper bottles, and so much more. Click here to see the entire description for all the details. Just have a look at these beautifully made glass tumblers and other types of tumblers. It comes with a bamboo lid and a pretty little straw to drink from. It is a perfect gift for a loved one, a friend, or a family member. In the sub-menu, we have apparel here, hats and caps, tumblers and glasses, bags like tote bags, and more. Now, this was a guided tour through Leslie's amazing EverBee store, and I am sure you have already fallen in love with the idea of having your own one as well. With all the powerful features and variety of products and services you could offer on your own EverBee store, why wait any longer? So in a nutshell, you can start your EverBee store within just a few minutes. I kid you not. Why worry about getting suspended? Start your EverBee store today for only $1 for the first month and $29 per month thereafter. Click the link in my description below to get started now.